Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors and billionaires, is renowned not only for his financial acumen, but also for his frugal living habits. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett is known for practicing a simple and disciplined lifestyle. Here at the Wallet Kit, we are going to reveal 7 frugal living habits of Warren Buffett. 1. Modest home. Warren Buffett lives in a modest home in Omaha, Nebraska, which he purchased for a fraction of his net worth. He has consistently avoided extravagant real estate investments. Buffett's home, which he bought for $31,500 in 1958, is far from a luxurious mansion, but rather a comfortable residence. 2. Thrifty transportation. Buffett is known for driving an older, relatively low-cost car. He has often been seen in a Cadillac XTS or other cars that are not flashy. Despite being a billionaire, Buffett's choice of vehicle is more practical than extravagant, demonstrating his aversion to luxury cars. 3. Frugal wardrobe. Buffett's clothing choices are simple and practical. He often opts for inexpensive suits and has mentioned that he doesn't spend much on clothing. You're more likely to see Buffett in a suit he's had for years than in designer attire, highlighting his preference for practicality over luxury. 4. No extravagant spending. Buffett is known for his avoidance of lavish spending. He prefers to invest his money wisely rather than indulging in extravagant purchases or lifestyle choices. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett has not indulged in conspicuous consumption or ostentatious displays of wealth. 5. Minimal tech gadgets. Buffett is not a big consumer of the latest tech gadgets. He has mentioned that he uses a simple flip phone and doesn't see the need for extravagant technology. While many billionaires invest in cutting-edge technology, Buffett's preference for simplicity extends to his choice of mobile phone. 6. Homemade breakfast. Buffett often stops by McDonald's for a simple and affordable breakfast of a sausage McMuffin and a Coca-Cola. He has stated that he enjoys the routine. Despite his wealth, Buffett finds satisfaction in everyday, budget-friendly dining choices. 7. Value investing philosophy. Buffett's frugal living habits align with his value investing philosophy. He looks for undervalued assets in the financial markets, seeking investments that offer good value at a reasonable price. Buffett's investment choices reflect his disciplined approach to wealth accumulation, emphasizing long-term value over short-term extravagance. Warren Buffett's frugal living habits serve as a testament to his financial wisdom. He exemplifies the idea that wealth is not about spending lavishly, but about making smart financial decisions and prioritizing long-term financial goals. Buffett's approach to a modest lifestyle offers valuable lessons in financial discipline, sensible spending, and the importance of living within one's means, regardless of income or wealth.